It's very bad. What's going on right now on the internet space? I am not happy. And this message from Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin to the sons and the wise men of Senior Prophet TBjoshua. Because you people quiet, keep on quiet too. Keep on quiet. When these people will now put something on your eyes, you will stay quiet. Because I'm not blaming anybody anywhere or any place. I am talking about you people that who are called wise men of Senior Prophet TBjoshua. Shame. It's a big shame. Quiet for what? You quiet. Somebody is now insulting your father. Your father who made you to become like this? Who made you to now know the world? Who opened your eyes? Who gave you daily bread?
If you know say you be Jeremiah, if you know say that your papa and your mama born you, Omoto Fufeyin, please sue BBC. Sue BBC. And if you know that this thing is a lie, can you sue BBC? Can all of you, I challenge you, all of you get money? Okafo, Iginla, Jeremiah, Bamidele, put your resources together. Sue BBC. If anybody will carry now, I will sue you. I have put million in so. I'm going to fight. Why don't you fight? Why did you come out to come and cry?
Sister Maureen ti ké gbàǹjarè o wípé ẹ wò ẹ má jẹ́ kí anybody kan tàn yín jẹ o wípé gbogbo àṣírí tó tú nípa TBjoshua yẹn wípé confam ni o wípé kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tipẹ́ kódà látàyè alálùmọ́lẹ̀ more than 20 years ago, láti ìgbàyè Kọ́lá Ọláwuyè. Lóòótọ́ àwọn èèyàn kan sọ pé ó yẹ kí BBC documentary kí wọ́n gbé documentary yìí jáde kó tó di pé TBjoshua kú, ṣùgbọ́n Sister Maureen ní by their fruit we shall know them lọ́rọ̀ àwọn pastor tó wá ń jáde ń sìn tí wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ń support TBjoshua, ẹgbẹ́ àwọn èèyàn kan attack TBjoshua, ẹgbẹ́ irú documentary yẹn ò yẹ kó jáde àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó ní kankan náà ní gbogbo wọn. Welcome to Digi Naija. Remember to like, share and follow us. Lára àwọn tí Sister Maureen rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí followers àti brothers fún TBjoshua nínú àwọn iṣẹ́ ìyanu oríṣiríṣi yìí tí ó jẹ́ pé Jésù gan-an ò ṣe, tó jẹ́ pé ká lo handkerchief ká fọwọ́ ká fi direct àwọn èèyàn káwọn èèyàn ṣubú lulẹ̀ tí ò sínú Bible àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Lára wọn ni Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin àti Apostle SULEMAN tí àwọn méjì dẹ̀ ti jáde láti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ TBjoshua. Pàápàá Prophet Jeremiah tó jẹ́ pé ó jáde láti sọ pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí yìí pé ṣe làwọn wise men ní TBjoshua pé wọ́n dẹ̀ ń wò wọn lè dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ká Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin yẹn ó ká lára gidi gan. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn méjèèjì yìí kẹ́ wá sọ ohun tẹ́ rò nípa ẹ̀. Ibo ni religion ń lọ nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà, ibo ni Christianity ń lọ nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà.
This message to all the wise men and the sons and daughters of TBjoshua. When TBjoshua was alive, Senior Prophet TBjoshua was alive, every one of you are enjoying him. Now, even till today, you're enjoying his glory. Somebody is now blackmailing your father who made you to become like this. You're enjoying his glory. You wise men. I am not happy with you people. You wise men, and this message to the wise men of Senior Prophet TBjoshua. Wise men. Somebody is now insulting you. Your father that will make you to become like this. Some are in Nigeria, some are in abroad. You quiet. You leave it for God, leave it for God. Let me tell you. Allah, let the enemies allow the lying.
Ìbéèrè táwọn èèyàn máa bèrè báyìí náà ni pé ta ni àwọn wise men? Lóòótọ́ prophet yìí ní àwọn sons tí ó jẹ́ ti Prophet TBjoshua. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n ń pè wọ́n ní wise men?
You people quiet and you're enjoying his glory. Who do you want? Which person you want to come outside and begin to talk? Who do you want to come outside and talk this matter? Oh yeah, tell me. A wise man. 5 people, 5 wise men, 5. Some are in Nigeria right now. They are here. People are now coming from no place and begin to now insult your father from this one, accusing your father. Things that you doesn't know. Now you are not, you people quiet. Do you not think that other people will now come and listen? You are still enjoying his glory. You people are still enjoying his glory. You wise men. You are still enjoying his glory till now. Huh? You're still enjoying his glory till now. Let me tell you again. A voice of attack from the social media, you also enter into social media and begin to now send the same thing to them. Send the same thing to them.
That validation is of God. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Before, he died, we made peace. Somebody broke out peace and we spoke. And I apologized to him that I didn't see the video. He said, I wouldn't have supported that thing that woman did. And I said, honestly, I was so wrong. I was so rash. I wasn't too happy that the Archbishop is dead. So I felt, why is somebody lying? Why is somebody lying? I felt that wasn't right. Because we are alive. You lied about us that are alive. You never lied about somebody who is dead again. How you went to meet that man? This man died in 1998 now. So why would you be lying that you went to meet the man about 5 years ago? He died in 98. So why are you lying? I never knew he corrected it. What am I saying when I'm saying? I had people come out lashing, say, and I held my mouth. I'm like, these things, what is going on in the body of Christ?
ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o lẹ́nu abọ́sù SULEMAN ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí lẹ rò bàbá yìí ní ọlọ́run nìkan ló ń validate àwọn tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn trust wọn bí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe fake miracles àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
They preach Jesus. They don't do that. I'm saying this to you, young minister of God or a minister of God who's coming up. Follow what is right. Disabuse your mind of anybody and focus on Jesus who has called you, who you are following. Listen to me. Are there people with wrong spirit? Yes. Are there people from hell? Yes. But Gamaliel, a doctor of the law, in Acts chapter 5, he stood up and said, verse 38 and 39, if this be of God, it will stand. But if it's not of God, it will not stand. We've seen the rise of many that our spirits did not agree with. We never said the word. It fizzled out. But if it's of God, fight it, condemn it, it will stand.
ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o òun lẹ ti gbọ́ òun lẹ́nu àwọn prọfẹ̀tì méjèèjì prophet Jeremiah àti apostle SULEMAN. Kí lè ròyìn pẹ̀lú gbogbo àṣírí tó ń tú àwọn kan ní ẹgbẹ́ kílé tí wọ́n tú àṣírí lóòótọ́ àwọn nǹkan yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n TB Joshua gan òkè olóògbé TB Joshua òkè ń dáhùn kò ń response sí criticism. Kí lẹ̀yin rò nípa gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ yìí? Ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.